Well, I quit. So I don't know how to start the video other than to tell you that I have actually resigned from my position. Yesterday was my last day. I've worked for the same company for almost 17 years now, and I would be lying if I didn't say I am completely terrified, but also super excited. So I love making these videos. It fills my soul. I don't know any other way to say that than when I'm in the kitchen and I'm creating new skincare and I'm learning stuff and I'm able to give you guys the stuff and we're communicating back and forth. I absolutely love that. It brings so much joy into my life. I have kind of sprinkled in this a little bit, and I really want to see what we can do together, what we can make, and what we can create together. I'm super excited for this opportunity. Some things that you can expect coming up is I'm going to do a whole revamp of my website. It is summerrain.website. Right now, it is not very good, if I'm being honest, but I've been doing this part-time, just in my spare time, and now I'm going to be dedicating my full day to it. So we can expect a whole revamp of that. You can also expect to see more inconsistent videos coming out, which I am absolutely pumped for. I have some really great ones that are going to be coming out soon. I think in the videos, what I want to do is I want to do more like what I did with the lotion dots video. So in that video, I really gave a good explanation. And one of the fun parts for me is actually learning why we do stuff, how we do it, all of those things. And I think that was a little piece that I wasn't getting in my video. So I'm super excited to walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Why we use an ingredient, what it does, how we choose them, all of those sorts of things are really going to make you more comfortable and more better, for lack of a better term, at making your own skincare and your own lotion and your own candles and your own bath bombs. Like, the list goes on and on and on. So I am super excited to be doing this journey with you. If you haven't done so already, be sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below.